Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion from March 5th to the 19th. For March 5th, we're going to start here. This is what we have. We have a ridge over the East Pacific with a positively tilted trough here extending from Canada into the west. And we have an upper low over Canada that extends to the west with another ridge forecast of the Gulf of Mexico and into the Western Atlantic with above normal heights and a zone of flow across the east. This is what we're expecting the pattern to be like. There'll be some changes, I think, coming, but I'll get to that in the next two periods. But this is what we're expecting the pattern to be. So the floor will support active weather over parts of the west, and we'll look at that. Okay, it's moving now. And we will have precipitation once one or more areas of significant rain and snow for some areas of the east central states. And we're taking a look at it right here, 5th to the 9th. GFS shows it the best. We have some rain down here across the mid-Atlantic, and then we have some ice, mixed precipitation across parts of southern New England, and then snow to the north and the western side of the system. And then we have another system that will be reaching the west coast and will track further to the southeast. And this will bring another round of heavy rain for parts of the central states into the weekend and early next week. Precipitation, wintry precipitation on the northwest and the western and northern side of the system. Okay, March 10th to the 14th. Gradual weakening of the flow is forecast. However, height numbers remain the same with the ridge over the East Pacific that will build north and a positive tilted north, positive tilted trough in the west with another ridge in the east across here. Here's our trough axis right here. And I was talking about this as the ridge expands northward. We'll take a look at that. I think I have another map right here. It'll be pushing warmer air to the north, forcing colder air to the south. And that might be the case. You can see it here. That might allow some colder air. Now, a quick look at the stratospheric warming. There is warming occurring. This is a chart. And you can see there's some significant warming going on. And we have to see what this leads. It's probably going to lead to colder temperatures across the north central states or the central states as a whole. We'll have to see how that goes. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 10 degrees below normal, highest anomalies here. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region with anomalies of at least 8 degrees above normal, highest anomalies over the southeast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence in there 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for, let me get to the map, for the 15th to the 19th. And this, I think, where the real change might come, like after mid-month, calling for above normal heights here that expands northward, as I said, forcing the colder air south into the central states. Still have a little bit of a southwest flow into the eastern states. Miles of good agreement, so I'm calling for this forecast period. Little change in temperature anomalies, maybe extension of above normal temperatures for the Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley and Great Lakes region. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Above probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region with the probability of occurrences near 40%. What I was going to say back to here, I was thinking of things as I'm going through this. I think this impact might be later on, might have the effects later on, like starting in the March 15th and 19th frame, but also late March and early April, there could be a cold spell. So we'll see how that works out as we get closer to that. That's all for now. That's a long range weather forecast discussion for March 5th to 19th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.